All right, let's not waste any time and hop right into the crypto airdrop updates from today because we've got a lot. So the Jupiter claim is going live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now there are tons of scam links on Twitter. People are trying to steal your money. So make sure that you are checking the legit link. I'm just gonna leave this tweet. This is the founder of the Jupiter exchange, okay? And follow the link in his tweet and you'll be okay. So you can check your allocations again and then you'll be able to claim them starting tomorrow. However, there's no rush to claim. You'll be able to get your tokens up until the 31st of July. And this is gonna be a major event for Solana DeFi tomorrow and a pretty major injection of liquidity. So it's gonna be interesting to see what happens. Okay, next up, we've got the DMAIL airdrop claim, which is live. So yesterday I showed you how you can check to see if you're eligible. And today you can actually go to the DMAIL claim page and collect your tokens if you qualified. So this is for people that interacted with the DMAIL network last year. Most of the snapshots were from December last year, and you had to have a pretty significant history of sending messages on the DMAIL network. So if you were farming airdrops using DMAIL last year, you'll probably qualify if you collected over 1,200 points. So you can go and collect your airdrops from DMAIL today. Next up, we've got an update on the ZK Sync network. So they posted this today in collaboration with this Hypercomic group. And right now you can go mint a bunch of NFTs from Hypercomic based on the number of transactions you've completed on the ZK Sync network. If you've done over 100 transactions on the ZK Sync network, you can get the ZK Sync King NFT, and then the Hustler is 50 transactions and the Worker is 30 transactions. So there's actually a bunch more NFTs that are going to be released in phases based on the number of transactions that you've completed on ZK Sync and the length of time that you've been using it. So stay tuned for more mints, and you might as well go and collect these because it's a free mint. It only costs a few cents for the gas fees, and who knows, maybe it will be part of their airdrop campaign. Next up, we have an announcement that Celestia is partnering with Starknet to support layer 3s. Can you imagine if TIA stakers are also going to be getting a Stark token airdrop? That would just be the icing on the cake of this, honestly. Celestia stakers are eating. Now, by all means, this is not a confirmed airdrop. This is just speculation, but Celestia keeps on announcing partnerships and people keep on announcing airdrops to TIA stakers. So at this point, I don't know what to tell you, but you already know you gotta be staking some TIA. All right, next up, Zero Lend announced today that Pyth stakers are qualifying for the Zero token airdrop. Now this morning I posted a tutorial on how you can use the Zero Lend application to farm this airdrop, and when I filmed that, they actually hadn't announced this airdrop for Pyth stakers. So if you are staking Pyth tokens and you linked your Ethereum wallet to the Pyth staking application, you can claim some points for the Zero Lend airdrop as well. And this is the first confirmed airdrop for Pyth stakers and hopefully the first of many. Okay, next up, the Swell network launched their liquid restaking token. So previously, I've shown how you can farm the Swell airdrop and the Eigenlayer airdrop with their liquid staking token. But now they launched a liquid restaking token. So this is similar to what EtherFi is doing with their liquid restaking token. And the way that it works is you deposit ETH with Swell, and in exchange you get RSW ETH, which earns you pearls for the Swell airdrop campaign and also earns you Eigen points for the Eigenlayer airdrop campaign. Now, in my opinion, it doesn't make sense to try and farm every single liquid restaking airdrop because then you'll spread your capital out too much. You'll spend a lot more in transaction fees on the Ethereum mainnet, and it just won't be as capital efficient. So personally, up until this point, I've been doing the liquid restaking stuff with EtherFi. I might expand to one additional protocol, either Swell or maybe Kelp, but I don't want to spread my capital out too much. Honestly, it's impossible for me to know whether the Swell airdrop is going to be better than the EtherFi airdrop and vice versa. And so you'll have to decide which one of these you think is the best target and the best use of your money. And two final quick updates for you today. The Frame airdrop has been delayed. So this was for people that traded NFTs on the ETH L1, and they had a claim period that was closed a while ago. The token was supposed to drop in 1 day, and they just said that they have extended the claim period because people complained that they didn't have enough time to claim. So they have reopened the claims and they'll be pushing the mainnet launch in order to give people more time. So personally, I find this to be a bit of a bummer because it means we'll probably be diluted a little bit more, and their claim period was open for long enough, in my opinion anyways. But regardless, there's not much to do but wait for this one. I don't necessarily expect that it's going to be super lucrative, but I was able to claim this airdrop on, I think, 5 different wallets because I had a little little bit of an NFT mania phase a couple of years ago. So if you ever traded NFTs on the Ethereum layer 1, then do go check to see if you're eligible and make a claim because they've now reopened it. And the final thing that I wanted to mention today is that the Blast L2 has a testnet campaign on Galaxy where you can complete a bunch of social tasks, visit a few websites, and do a few things. So if you want to check out this Galaxy campaign, you can get an oat and some points, and that may help you qualify for a Blast airdrop. And finally, I just wanted to say that this is gonna be my last daily airdrop update until next Sunday or Monday because I'm going away for a little while to an island with no Wi-Fi. So I'll be back soon. I scheduled a couple of videos to be posted while I'm gone, but if I'm not responding to comments here or on Twitter, that is why. So see you later. Hopefully you found this useful as always, and I'll be back soon.